So let's talk about US Airlines. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jimmy here with The Other Chef. Normally, I talk about the food service industry and I do some food and product demos. But today, I want to take my time to actually do a little bit more focus on the travel side of the channel. But first, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button to get more content on this channel. So, US-based airlines. Now, I'm going to break this down into 3 categories, and then later on in another video, I'm going to talk about each particular airline. So let's get into the video. So the first tier are the ones that I call alliance-based partners. Now, these are the airlines that are a part of a major alliance, and there are 3 of them internationally. The first one is Delta Airlines. They are with the SkyTeam Alliance. The second airline is United Airlines, and they are part of Star Alliance. And finally, we have American Airlines and now Alaska Airlines, which is a part of One World. So the next tier is what I call low-cost carriers. These are the carriers that are mostly regionally, or they're just a larger carrier. One of the well-known ones is actually the largest one in the world, and it's called Southwest Airlines. The next one is JetBlue, and they are not a part of Alliance, but they do have a code-sharing agreement with other airline partners. And for a quick explanation of code sharing, is just basically you can use your JetBlue points to be able to fly with other partners to other destinations, mostly international destinations. One of the partners would be Iceland Airlines, because Iceland Air isn't a part of any alliance. The next one really isn't a low-cost fare airline, but they are considered a regional one, and this is Hawaiian Airlines, because they are the largest one in the island of Hawaii, and they go from the islands to the mainland and from the islands to international destinations, particularly in Asia. And finally, one that I really didn't know about, and it's called Eastern Airlines, and they are mostly a very small fleet with 2 major hubs in JFK, New York City, and Miami. And finally, rounding out the last tier are the ultra low fare carriers. These are considered the Dollar Tree of these airline tiers. Not saying that they are bad, it's just that these airlines focus on low cost with the minimal amount of services that has the ability to be able to go to multiple parts of the country in some international destinations. One of which I personally have flown before, which is Spirit Airlines. Another one is Frontier, which is out of the Denver area, Sun Country, Allegiant, and now there are 2 ultra low cost carriers, but these are strictly very regional. The first one is Avelo, which is out of California, and they focus more on the western part of the United States. And finally, Breeze Airlines, which focuses more on the eastern side of the United States. And in another video, I will talk about the 3 major airline alliances. Hey, if you love this content, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below and answer today's question of the day. Which is your favorite airline that is based in the United States? Leave your comments below. I always love to interact with every single one of you, and it does help the YouTube algorithm. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.